requests to, there's hair in my mouth. I love how I got so many requests to make a video all about that omelet, making the omelet recipe that I made in that video where I ate like Leah Michelle for a day, because I really wanted to share with you how I made it, and that's what I'm doing in this video. But if you want to see any other recipes from me, please let me know in the comments, and also if you want to see an omelet mukbang, please let me know as well, because I love when you guys request things like you did with this video, because it really helps me out and it makes me even more excited to make the video. So if you want to learn how I make this omelet, then go ahead and please keep on watching. For the omelet, you will need 1 cup of tofu, half a cup of plant milk, 4 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 3 tablespoons of chickpea flour, 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch or tapioca flour, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. When it comes to the filling, you can fill your enchiladas. Why did I say your enchiladas? You can fill your omelet with whatever you want to fill it with. You can even add vegan cheese. I really love this block of smoked Gouda from Dea. It's so good. I've never tried it in an omelet, but it's my favorite, well, one of my favorite vegan cheeses, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be really, really good in an omelet, so I'm gonna have to try that sometime. You can fill your omelet with anything that you want. In a blender or a food processor, add in all of the omelet ingredients. Then blend until everything is combined into a thick sauce-like consistency. Now in a pan, add a little vegan butter or oil. I tried skipping this step even with a non-stick copper pan, but unfortunately it didn't work. But just add a little oil, it works flawlessly when you do this. Once the vegan butter or oil is evenly spread on your pan, pour in the entire omelet batter, or at least as much as you can on the pan. But obviously if your pan is smaller, then you can just pour in to the amount of the pan. And now on a medium-low heat, cover with a lid and wait 3 minutes. Once those 3 minutes are up, take the lid off and carefully flip the omelet. If you're unsure if your omelet is done, you can take your spatula all along the perimeter and see if it's ready before you actually go and flip it. Now bring the heat as low as it can go so it can cook the center of the omelet, because that's where it's like really, really uncooked. At this time, you can add all of your fillings, then cover with a lid for about 4 to 6 minutes, depending on how cooked you want your omelet. Since this is a thicker omelet, when you fold it, I like to have a lid holding that fold so that it stays in place as it shapes into that signature omelet shape, half moon shape. About this omelet being made out of tofu instead of chicken eggs is that tofu has 40% more calcium, a little more protein, by far less sodium, 0 cholesterol than a chicken egg. So it's winning on the health scale, and also the ethical scale and the environmental scale as well is just winning all over. So that's why this omelet is so amazing, because not only is it a lot healthier for you, it's a lot better for the planet and those on the planet. Also, let me know if you try out this recipe at home. I love when you guys send me photos. It's the coolest thing ever to see your recreation of these recipes. So send me photos, send me feedback. Let me know if you want to see any other recipes from me, and also if you want to see me do that egg mukbang, the omelet mukbang.